Okay. Again, looking at this, substitution or elimination, I would choose substitution since there's a variable written all by itself. It happens in both equation 1 and equation 2. So if I rewrite equation 2, what could I put in here? I'm rewriting equation 2, but instead of writing the y, I write x plus 2 squared, that's it. And I have to write the minus 1 as well, because that's what y is equal to in the first equation. And now I'm going to have to x plus 2 squared. You FOIL that out, you'll get x squared plus 4x plus 4. We still have that minus 1. X squared minus 4x minus 5. What can we do? Get 0 on one side. So are you okay if I subtract x squared plus 4x and add 5 to both sides? So what happens now? I'm going to get 0x squareds. I'm going to get 8x plus 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 1 minus 8 equals 0. I don't even have a parabola anymore. Now what should I do? Square both sides so you get a quadratic? No, you're going to have to go back to like grades 8 and 9. That's, you can divide everything by 8, sure. Then you would get x minus 1. You don't have to divide by 8. What would you normally do if you were solving just 8x minus 8 equals 0? Oh, it's plus 8, thank you. First you would move the 8 to the other side, right? And then how do you get x by itself? Divide by 8. You guys didn't forget that, did you? Notice that dividing everything by 8 also will get you that. Now to get x by itself, you just move the 1 over. Same thing. Although this arrow is more typical of what you normally do when you had x questions. You got the x by itself on one side. Yes? Yeah. So now that we've got x equals negative 1, we still have to find y. There's only one value, so this one's going to only have one solution. And plug it in. Plug it into 1. Okay. Bracket, negative 1. Again, whenever we plug something in, we start by plugging it in with brackets. Sometimes it's not necessary, but often there are extra negatives and stuff, so it's always good form to plug it in with a bracket. We're going to have negative 1 plus 2. This is all squared. Is it minus 1? And we get y equals 0. Is this one of the ones that it does touch at one place but not at the vertex? Okay, so our solution, here it is. Our solution is negative 1, comma 0. And your question from the homework is that you have to finish the book. How unfortunate. It's question number 7. Question number 7.